What's up, y'all? It's your boy K back with another video, and as you can see, we outside with it, man. I'm sweating bullets already. But today, if you want to learn how to change the shifter cable on your Corvette, this is a C6. Stay tuned, watch the whole video because I'm gonna show you how to do it. So as of right now, I have the car already jacked up. So as you can see, most definitely you gotta have the doors open, the hood open, the trunk open, everything. And I got it already on jacks. We are on the Ruchis, as you can see. So got it up on the jack stands right here, and I also left the jack up under there. And then in the back, pretty much the same thing, but I also got it sitting on the center blocks just for a little bit of extra safety. But I got the jack stands up under there with the jack. So as of right now, what we about to do is go ahead and switch out the cable for the shifter, which goes on here. We just got to switch it out, and we got to get to it from the bottom. That's the new cable right here. It's the part, of course, that's gonna hook on to the gear shift, and that's the part that's on the other side, I believe, to the trans. So here it is right here. It's not too bad. This is gonna be the hardest part to get off because, of course, it's stuck into like a clip, a brace. So you're gonna have to hit it out. But here it is. No, actually, it's this side right here. So let's go ahead and get to it. We got to get up under there, maybe take the exhaust and stuff off. You most definitely got to take your pan off right here with all them screws in it at the very bottom. You got to disconnect it from here, the exhaust, and then it'll drop down so it could give you some room up in there. Where is that? All right, so once we get it loose, we can just pull it up from the top. It's the old one, as you can see, is broken.
Okay, I see what you were saying.
So let's pull this boy up out of here.
Yeah, you got it.
It's stuck on something.
Okay, hold on. There you go.
Still stuck.
Hold on.
All right, so here we go. Whole thing is up. Then we're gonna take the new one. Oh shit, feed it through there the same way. This one first.
Wrong end.
Wrong end.
Yeah. That's the shifter end. Yeah, that's my end. Hold on, I gotta go on that side.
All right. All right, so basically trying to get this black part into here. But of course, it's kind of a difficult angle. So you can really only get one hand in there. And of course, it's super hard to record and do it. But basically, it's running into this. Underneath the lock in, so you got to push it up some more. All right, so basically it's weird, but you got to get your body angled to where you could use both your hands and you just slide it. So that O part is on the outside, and then it'll clamp around that seal.
The driver's
right there. So now it's on there. And now it's super secure. It's not coming out at all. I should do that. Take this. Disconnect it. Trans. Like that. Small hammer to hit that brace in place because it gotta sit on that screw right there on the top of the hammer. And it's a nut that go on it to hold it down in place. Just make sure you got that bolt on there too on the bracket. That's the one I was telling you about. The bracket, gotta tighten it down with that bolt right here. And then you already seen how to put this on. All right, so now we gotta connect it on this piece. And basically drop it down in there. Yeah, but this going on this side. I should have left it up before you connected it, man. Is this in part? Let's test it out. Yeah, you good. You good. So after you get that in order, as you see it's working, we got to put this pan up under there, back up under there. And this actually goes on top of the exhaust so the exhaust don't burn nothing. So we got to slide this back up under there. And this right here go on a spring. So we go tighten it up for y'all. Give me some of the whole bunch of bolts you got to put in there, maybe like 150 of them on both sides. On the pan, and then the exhaust right here goes up. So the pan pretty much, yeah, keep the heat from going up. And you got to make sure you connect the exhaust down here as well, right there. And everything else will be good. Put the hangers right here for the exhaust. And everything else, you should be good to go. Cause it was just like that. You have to tighten up these two, as well as those down there. Once you do that, you all good to go.